Hey everyone, today I will show you how to stop notifications in Google Chrome. And here's how it is done. Launch your Google Chrome browser. Click the menu icon, three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down. On the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. On the right, select Site Settings. Scroll down to Permissions and click Notifications. You will see three main options. Allow sites to ask to send notifications. Enable websites to request permissions. Don't allow sites to send notifications. It will prevent all notifications. Choose the option that suits your preference. Manage exceptions. To allow or block specific sites, scroll down to Custom Behaviors. Click Add under Allowed or Block and enter the website's domain. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.